Welcome to the Quality English Tutor podcast.
Where you can learn to speak English with full confidence.
Sara, welcome to the studio. We are so excited to have you on the English Tutor podcast today.
Thank you, Alex. I am really happy to be here and talk with you.
Hey, Sara. How are you today?
Hey, Alex. I'm feeling happy and a little excited, like butterflies. You?
I'm great, thank you. And I'm excited too.
We're happy you're here with us.
I have a quick question. Can you introduce yourself confidently in English?
Not only your name, but your country, job, hobbies, and more? With a smile?
If the answer is not yet, that's okay. Because after today, you will do it with great confidence.
Today, we will learn how to talk about yourself. Simple and natural English.
We will practice your name, where you're from, age, job, family, hobbies, and more.
Easy English with fun practice.
Ready? Deep breath, smile. Let's begin. Okay, first, your name. Easy start. Let's warm up that English voice. Ready? Repeat after me. My name is Alex.
My name is Sara.
Nice job. Okay, your turn, dear listeners. My name is...
Great! You can also say, I am Sara.
Yeah, short, simple, and cool. When I meet someone new, I say, Hey, I'm Alex. See? Easy.
Hello, I am Sara. Nice to meet you.
Your line here. Hello, Sara. Nice to meet you too. I am Alex. See how friendly that sounds?
Now, your turn, amazing listeners. Imagine you're at a party or in your favorite coffee shop. Say your name clearly and confidently.
Awesome! Great energy. All right, let's keep that smile and move to the next part. Next is where are you from? Repeat after me. I'm from England.
I'm from Italy.
Your turn, listeners. I'm from... Give an example. Okay, where are you from?
I'm from Italy. And you?
I'm from England.
Here's another useful one. I live in London, but I am from Saudi Arabia. Let's move on.
Okay, now talk about age. Don't worry, we keep it easy. Repeat. I'm 25 years old.
Or, I'm 25, simply.
If you want to be mysterious, you can also say, I'm in my 20s, or I'm in my 30s.
For example, Alex,
Okay, how old are you?
well, I'm 30 years old.
Let's have a mini story. Hi, I'm David. I'm from Brazil, and I'm 22 years old.
Hi, David. I'm Sara. I'm from Italy, and I'm 28.
Your turn, amazing listeners. Ready? Deep breath, go. Say, hello, I'm from, and I'm. So now we're finished with name, country, and age. Right, now let's move on to the next part.
What's next now, Alex?
Now, talk about your job or study. What do you do? Work or study? Repeat. I work in a school.
I'm a student.
You can also say, I am a teacher, or I work in a shop.
For example,
Okay, what do you do?
I'm a student. I study English. Now moving on to talk about family.
Okay, now it's family time. Sarah, tell us about your family.
Sure. I have a big family, many people, and, a lot of noise.
Nice. I have a small family. Just me, my parents, and my cat. My cat is the boss.
Yes, cats are little kings.
You can say, I have a small family, or I have a big family.
And you can add more. I have one brother. Or, I have two sisters.
So, do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother. He is 18, and he eats everything.
Teenage brothers always hungry. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. I have a small family. Or, I have a big family.
Now add detail. I have one brother. Or, I have two sisters. Nice job!
Great. Your English is getting stronger. Okay, let's talk hobbies. I like running. Running makes me happy and a little sweaty.
Yes, sweat power! I like painting. Painting makes me calm and a little messy. Sometimes my table becomes rainbow and my hands too.
So, art everywhere. Your room is like, help me.
Yes, but beautiful.
Okay, let's talk about hobbies. I love running. It makes me happy and a little sweaty.
All right, your turn, amazing listeners. Say, I like. It makes me. Woo, great job!
Good feeling, good English, good vibes.
Amazing, you're doing awesome. Let's keep going.
Let's have a mini story. Hi, I live in London. I have a small family and I like running. It makes me happy.
And I live in Riyadh. I have a big family and I like painting. It makes me calm and a little messy.
Okay, your turn. Ready? Say, I live in. I have a family. I like. It makes me.
Excited. Nice, great speaking.
Awesome job. You are improving so well. Now let's move to the next part. Great work so far. Now, where do you live?
Yes, tell us the city or the country. Where is your home?
I live in London. Lots of buses and tea.
I live in Riyadh, and today my AC feels like my best friend.
See? Simple. You can say the city or the country.
Ready? Repeat after us.
I live in London.
I live in Riyadh.
Now, you. I live in.
Nice. Great job.
Very good. Keep going. All right, moving on. This part is fun. We talk about things we like and things we don't like.
Yes. Easy and very useful in real life. Ready? Deep breath and go.
So for me, I like coffee. And I don't like spiders. No, thank you.
Oh, yes. Same. I really don't like spiders. But I like chocolate a lot. Maybe too much.
I like chocolate a lot. Okay, now your turn. Listeners, Tell us 2 things you like and 1 thing you don't like.
Ready? Deep breath and go. I like and I don't like.
Nice. Good sentence.
Yes, you sound great. Keep going.
All right, let's continue. Now we talk about your daily routine. What you do every day. Simple English, okay? No big story.
Yes, just small sentences. Easy and fun.
Listen first. Repeat after me. I wake up at 7 a.m.
I go to work at 9 a.m.
Or you can say, I study English at 6 p.m. I watch an English podcast.
Nice. These are great practice sentences. Okay, Alex. Do you wake up at 7 a.m.?
Yes, but my brain wakes up at 10. Coffee helps.
Me too. Coffee is just like a life.
Okay, now your turn. Think about your morning and say your routine. I wake up at...
I at
You can do this. Keep going. You're doing great. Good job. Even 1 sentence is great.
Yes. Simple English, strong English.
Yes. Simple English, strong English. Awesome. You're still here. Good energy. Now let's talk about your personality and your favorites.
Personalities and favorites.
Yes. Repeat. I'm friendly.
I'm shy. And now favorites. Let's try. My favorite color is blue. My favorite food is noodles.
Yum. Noodles are the best. Okay, now you tell us your favorite color or food.
Amazing! Wow, look at you, speaking English confidently.
All right, now let's make your English smoother and more natural by learning some simple connectors.
Alex, what's a connector?
Great question, Sarah. A connector joins ideas, like a bridge in a sentence.
Okay, when do we use but?
When 2 ideas go in different directions, we use but. For example, I enjoy cooking, but I don't like washing the dishes.
For example, I enjoy cooking, but I don't like washing the dishes. Yes, washing dishes always feels like the hardest part.
Now, let's talk about because. It gives us a reason why we do something. I learn English because I want a better job. I study English because I want to speak with people around the world.
What about so, Alex?
So shows a result of something. For example, it's sunny, so I'm heading to the park.
How about and, Alex?
We use and to add ideas. For example, I like books and podcasts. They both keep me awake.
Ah, great. Very simple but powerful. See, these connectors are very important for natural flow.
Exactly. Sarah, repetition builds fluency. So, use them with us today. Wow, truly great work today. Seriously, impressive.
Yes, you actually spoke English today. Be proud of yourself.
Just a little practice every day, even 2 minutes, keeps you improving.
And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. It matters a lot.
Share your introduction in the comments, and we'll cheer you on.
Thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.